Hey Final Cut friends, I have a channel update for you don't want to miss. I am rolling out channel memberships here on YouTube. It's a place where we can connect and you'll get some exclusive content from me. Plus you'll get access to all of my working files for all of the Apple Motion tutorials you've ever seen here on this channel. Now, if you're already a member of my Patreon community, don't worry, nothing's going to change. In fact, you're probably going to be hearing from me more often on Patreon. But if you're a big YouTube person and you want to join me here right on YouTube, you can just hit the join button here on my YouTube channel homepage or underneath me right here in the video you're watching right now. There's a couple of different tiers on my channel membership with different perks, and there's already some fun stuff on there for you to check out. And if you're not into premium content, no worries, nothing's going to change here on this YouTube channel. I'm still going to be delivering Final Cut and Apple Motion content that you guys really seem to love and I love making for you. And very soon I have some really big content coming your way, I'm sure you can imagine, and I cannot wait for you to see it. I just want to thank you for being part of my YouTube family. I love what I do here and I love hearing from you. I'll see you guys soon.